Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be fantastic. A lot of rugged phones have been released so far this year with diverse specifications. In today's video, I will be doing a spec comparison between three powerful rugged phones with powerful specifications in terms of performance and different features such as laser rangefinders, camp lights, and projectors. The three rugged phones are the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra, UNIHERTZ TANK 4 Pro, and newly announced Doogee vmax LR Pro. Don't forget to leave a like or a comment if you have any questions after watching the video.